Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to get the order layout of blog post in WordPress using the classic editor. If you prefer the order layout or you are used to working with it, this video is for you. So let's get started. So first of all, we will see what type of layout we are getting by default in newer version of WordPress. Click on the add new post. So you can see the blog editor is enabled. So let's go back to the WordPress dashboard. First you need to install the classic editor plugin. To do this, go to plugin section and click on add new. You can see also the classic editor is showing appearing on top. Install now and activate it. Once the classic editor plugin is activated, go to post, click on any post or click on add new post. You will see that the classic editor is now enabled by default. You can also edit the post with this, and this one is also appearing by default classic editor. And that's it. You know now how to get the older layouts of blog post in WordPress using the classic editor. If you prefer the older layouts or you are used to working with it, the classic editor plugin is a great solution. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any question or suggestions for future videos, please let me know in the comment below. Thanks for watching.